How is robotic surgery useful in management of fibroid uterus? First, we need to understand what is fibroid uterus. Well, it's a tumor in the uterus which is usually not cancerous. It can be of various size, it can be multiple, and it depends upon why you are seeking a treatment for fibroids. About 20 to 25% of our women develop fibroid uterus some point in their life. And most often, they don't require any treatment as the fibroids are asymptomatic. There are various types of treatment that are available for fibroid. We can do medical treatment with some medicines as well as injections, which are usually temporary in nature. We can also do some other treatment like uterine artery embolization or HIFU, but these also give temporary relief or symptomatic relief. If the fibroids require a permanent solution, surgery is the answer. Now again, what type of surgery depends upon the location of the fibroid. If the fibroid is inside the cavity of your uterus, then we simply perform a hysteroscopic surgery. But if the fibroid is in the body of the uterus or towards the outside of the uterus, then it requires an abdominal approach to remove those fibroids. Traditionally, this abdominal approach was open surgery. However, minimal access or small hole surgeries have gained acceptance and popularity because it gives very quick response to your recovery and very little blood loss. Traditionally, keyhole surgeries have been laparoscopy. However, today with advanced technology of computer-assisted robotic surgery, we offer robotic surgery for fibroid management in two situations. One, if the fibroid needs to be removed and the uterus needs to be saved, especially when you are young and you need to save this uterus for future childbearing. When the fibroids are large and multiple, it becomes very difficult to do with any other method. So we offer robotic surgery in situations like this to remove all your fibroids in minimal access way by very small holes, preserving your uterus with robust repair of the uterus following the removal of fibroids so that it can withstand the strain of a subsequent pregnancy. The second situation in which you may require surgery for fibroid is when there are large, multiple, oddly located fibroids, but actually you need a hysterectomy because the family is complete, the fibroids are very symptomatic, or they may be now growing very fast, you're approaching close to menopause, and this is the situation where we would recommend to remove the uterus along with the fibroids. In situations like this, because of the bulky nature of this disease, we suggest robotic surgery today because it gives us an advantage to do a very detailed surgery for very large masses. The conversion rate from doing a laparoscopic or a minimal access surgery to open surgery is not an unknown phenomenon. But with the help of computer-assisted robotic surgery, we are able to reduce our conversion rates. We also published our paper in International Journal where from 10% of conversion, we have now been able to reduce to about 4% with the use of robotic surgery. So the benefit of robotic surgery in management of fibroids, especially when a surgery is needed, are manifold. You of course recover fast, your blood loss is less, so there is no need for blood transfusion. There is less pain, you hardly need to be in the hospital for one night and you can back to be in your family very quickly. The chance that you will wake up from anesthesia and the surgery got converted to an open surgery is very low when you have a robotic surgery. For me as a doctor with large masks which are very big, difficult to manipulate with simple instruments of laparoscopy, I'm able to do the same surgery, extend my boundaries to be able to help you with minimal access surgery with large multiple fibroids in a much easier fashion. This is because the technology is helping me. It's helping you in every field of life. Why not in medicine and surgery?